Hazur, I'm a Waqf now and want to join the police force. How can I serve Jamaat in this profession?
Even I asked the Khudam and young people that they should join public service and police force.
Yes.
This is how you can improve and better the quality of and behavior of the police department. You see, nowadays it is said, especially American police is quite irrational. They don't care about the people. Sometimes they become very cruel. So if you join the police force, I hope you will try to improve the behavior of those people, or if you get the higher status in the police department, then you can reform the police department. So, and how can you serve the Jamaat? When you will set your example and people would know that you are a Muslim and I'm the Muslim, then they will know that this is the true teaching of Islam, this is how police personnel should behave, and this is how they can improve the moral values of society. Okay? When you do this, that will definitely give a good impression and better impact of the Jamaat on the people.